In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but more precisely, we will see elle. So, let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stress pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about elle. And the stress pronoun elle can be translated into various ways in English, such as they or them, specifically referring to a group of females. So remember, it will be for the feminine form. Elle chante, elle danse chaque samedi. Elle danse chaque samedi. C'est elles qui ont préparé ces desserts. C'est elles qui ont préparé ces desserts. Elle travaille pour une grande entreprise. Elle travaille pour une grande entreprise. Entre elles, il y a une entente parfaite. Entre elles, il y a une entente parfaite.